In this video, we're going to be showing you how we set up our Xfinity Gateway router. So we just got back from the Xfinity store, and this box has everything that we need to get started to hook up our Wi-Fi and get on the internet. After ripping open the box, we see that this is the modem right here we're going to be using, and this Xfinity Gateway does have a couple little inputs on the back. This first one right here is going to be the input for the coaxial cable. That's going to get you connected to the internet itself. That little blue one is going to be for the power cord, and then all those other squares up top are going to be for Ethernet ports as well. Also on the very bottom of the modem, it does have a QR code that you will need to scan in order to set up the Wi-Fi later on in the process. So looking more into the box, we see that it does come with an included coaxial cable, which is great. We're going to be able to use this connected to our router, which is going to plug into our wall, and we'll show that a little bit later. Another thing that is super important that we can't forget is going to be our power cord, which we see it's right here. It's pretty straightforward. You plug it into just a standard outlet, and then the other side is going to connect to the back of the router. The last things that we have inside this box are going to be the setup guides. The first one that says hello and hola with that QR code, we're going to be using that to begin the setup process. The other one is for Xfinity voice customers. Since we're not using that service, we're going to set it aside. But if you are using that, I'd recommend taking a look. Okay, before getting started, you will need to have the Xfinity app downloaded onto your mobile device. This is where all the setup process is going to be, and it makes it super straightforward once you have it. With that app downloaded, we're now ready to get started. We can open up the camera app and then scan the QR code. Opening this QR code is going to take us into the Xfinity app, and it's going to give us two selections we can choose from. Basically just asking what type of modem you have. Since we have an Xfi device, we're going to be selecting that one. It's going to load for a little bit, and then it'll prompt you with a screen asking if you're ready to start the setup process. So selecting that button, it will then take us to a page where it wants us to scan the QR code on the bottom of the Wi-Fi router so it can begin the setup process. Now, if you don't want to use your camera to scan the QR code, you can also enter in a code that they have on the bottom. The next step is to locate a coaxial cable outlet that you would like to use. Now, whichever outlet you decide to use, that's going to be basically the home for your Wi-Fi router. Taking our cable, we're going to gently push it into the outlet and then begin to screw it on. Now you want to make sure that it's tight, but don't do it too tight as you could break the cable. We will then attach the other side of the cable to our Xfinity modem. Here, again, just gently push it in as you don't want to break it, and then screw it on into place. And then once it's tight, you can go ahead and set it off to the side. Okay, with that done, we'll go ahead and select next, and you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi router is going to be in a good spot where it's not going to be obscured, which could reduce the Wi-Fi and make it not as powerful. Okay, so once you have a spot selected and you've got the coaxial cable connected, next thing to do is to grab the power cord. Power cord, we're going to just plug it into an outlet, and then we'll take the other end and connect it to our modem. Okay, so now at this point, we do see that it is beginning to turn on. It has that orange and the process has begun. So in our app, it's going to ask us to wait until we see a white blinking light. And typically this happens within a few minutes. Ours happened in about 5 minutes or so, and we saw the blinking white. So we click OK, and now it's going to check the connection between your router and the phone just to make sure that everything is working properly. As it is in the finishing up stage, you will see that the light on ours turned into a solid white. Okay, after that has been completed, it's now time to create the Wi-Fi name and password. This is going to be the name that you're going to be selecting on your devices in order to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then similarly, you will need that same password in order to connect and have internet on those different devices. So just make sure you remember both the name and the password. Once that's done, we see activation is complete. At this point, the only thing that we have left to do is now to go into our different devices and open up the Wi-Fi setting, select the new Wi-Fi, and connect to our new internet. That's how we set up our Xfinity Wi-Fi. It'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.